We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this dish, as well as how to say more interesting food names from around the world, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, in Portuguese, this also exists in Spanish, and we'll get to this in a second. In Portuguese, this is said as escabeche, escabeche, or sometimes even as escabeche, escabeche. In Spanish, it is normally said as escabeche, escabeche. In English, however, this is normally said as escabeche, escabeche. So different ways of saying it. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more delicious food names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.